adventurers. In this video I'll discuss the best rewards credit cards in 2022. With so many alternatives, I looked into the best cards and chose my favourite 4. You'll avoid some decision-making paralysis this way. Stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time is never easy. There are lots of ifs and a lot of wandering around, trying to choose which one would better to start with. You don't have to worry about this anymore. In this video, you'll find out about 4 credit cards that have some of the best rewards, and instead of choosing between 50, you will have to choose between 4 only. Now, let's hear about them, shall we? Starting at number 4, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. When it comes to travel credit cards, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is the best option. That's because it might be a good fit for both novices and experts in optimizing rewards when it comes to points and miles. One of the best bonus offers, significant points, and flexible redemption possibilities make the Chase Sapphire Preferred card one of the best travel cards available. As one of the most well-known travel rewards credit cards, it offers 3 points per dollar spent on dining, some streaming services, and online grocery store purchases, in addition to 5 points per dollar spent on travel booked through the Chase Travel Portal, excluding Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs for dining and grocery store purchases. Through Chase Ultimate Rewards, these priceless points can be exchanged for travel at a rate of 1.25 cents each, or transferred to airline and hotel partners. Now, let me introduce you to the pros and cons. Here are the pros. It has a bonus for brand new cardholders. It has bonus sections. It offers primary insurance for rental cars. It also offers flexible redemption of awards. You can transfer points at a 1-to-1 ratio to your travel companions. It offers many protections for shopping and vacations. And you can earn 5 times the points per booking a flight with Chase. And here are the cons. It does have an annual fee. You must have a high to exceptional credit. It has difficult rewards. There is no introductory APR offer, and the only way to get the best travel rewards is through Chase. It is great for, though, people who travel quite a lot, and people who hold or want to get more Chase cards that earn ultimate rewards points. It's not great for people who don't travel often, and people who prefer to have easier rewards. Let's focus on the rewards. When booking travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, the Chase Sapphire Preferred earns 5 points for every dollar spent, 3 points for dining, a few streaming services, and online grocery shopping, 2 points for all other travel purchases, and 1 point for all other transactions. This card excels in providing a variety of options to redeem points. Using Chase Ultimate Rewards, you may instantly book travel and a variety of other activities using any points you earn. However, points can be exchanged for gift cards, cashback, Amazon.com purchases, and Apple products. Now for the welcome bonus. After making $4,000 in purchases during the first 3 months after account opening, you'll earn 60,000 bonus points. When you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards, you'll receive $750 towards travel. The annual fee is $95. There is no intro APR. The regular APR is 17.49% to 24.49% variable. Balance transfer fees can either be $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. There are no foreign transaction fees. You do need an excellent or good credit, which is considered between $670 and $850. And now at number 3, we have the US Bank Altitude Go Visa Signature Card. The US Bank Altitude Go Visa Signature Card might be the pinnacle of credit cards for foodies looking for rewards credit cards with no annual fees. What's on the card's entry? Among cards with a $0 annual fee, this one offers the highest rewards earning potential on dining out expenses. It is not, however, a one-trick pony. Additionally, the card gives respectable earnings at places like grocery stores, gas stations, and authorized streaming services. A straightforward cashback card is all the US Bank Altitude Go is at its core. Even though you can book travel within the United States using the rewards, your reward value is always fixed at a penny per reward, whether you use the Bank Rewards Centre to purchase gift cards or items. Since this card doesn't have any travel transfer partners, there is no value increase when used for travel. Here are the pros. There's no annual fee. There's a new cardholder bonus offer. There's bonus categories. There's an intro APR period. There's no foreign transaction fees. And there's no penalty APR. And here are the cons. It does have a balance transfer fee. No bonus reward tier for entertainment spending. There's a low base rewards rate. And less value than some annual fee cards. It is great for people who love going out for dinner or who love ordering. Also for people who want a card that meets all their foodie needs and has no annual fee. And for people who spend a lot on streaming services. It's not great for people who don't like going out for dinner or who don't order food. And it's not also great for people who prefer to get rewards for different kinds of entertainment. Let's talk about the rewards. This card offers 4 points for every dollar spent on takeout, food delivery and eating out, as well as 2 points for every dollar spent on groceries, gas, grocery deliveries and streaming services. Each dollar spent on everything else is worth 1 point. Rewards for the US Bank Altitude Go cards are limitless and never expire. Your earnings can be withdrawn as cash or credited to an eligible US account, starting with 2,500 points for a bank account. Additionally, you can exchange them for trips through the US, gift cards or products. Starting at 1,000 points, the bank's online rewards program. With the real-time rewards feature at participating merchants, you have the unusual option of instantly redeeming points through text messages. And now for the welcome bonus. You can earn 20,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 in eligible purchases within the first 90 days of opening an account. There is no annual fee. There is an introductory APR offer, 0% for 12 billing cycles. The regular APR is 17.24% to 26.24% variable. There is a balance transfer fee of either 3% of the amount of each transfer or $5 minimum, whichever is greater. There is a 0% foreign transaction fee. And you do need an excellent credit score, which is considered between 720 and 850. Coming in at number 2, there is the Discovery It cashback. A wonderful introduction to rewards earning credit cards is the Discovery It cashback. It has a high cashback rate in several recurring quarterly categories. But you have to activate it and there are spending limits before you can receive the benefits. Fortunately, this card has no annual fee and it is well worth it for those who desire cashback and don't mind putting in a little effort. Here are the pros. There's no annual fee. There is an introductory APR period. There are bonus categories and cash rewards. Discover will automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. There is no minimum cashback redemption, and there's a decent 0% introductory offer on purchases and eligible balance transfers. And now for the cons. There's spending caps on bonus rewards. There's lower acceptance abroad. The categories must be activated, and there's relatively few benefits. It's great for people who want a card that gives rewards and has no annual fee, and for people who have major expenses coming up. It's not great for people who don't want to put in an effort to earn the rewards, and people who want to earn higher rewards. Let's talk about those rewards now. Up to the quarterly maximum when you activate, this card offers 5% cashback on regular purchases at various locations each quarter, such as Amazon.com, supermarkets, restaurants, gas stations, and when you pay with PayPal. You'll receive 1% cashback on all other purchases that you make that are not in the bonus categories. To be eligible for high rewards, purchases must also fall into the category as defined by Discover. In the form of a statement credit or electronic deposit, cashback can be redeemed at any time for your account. You can also use the cashback to make straight purchases from PayPal or Amazon. Rewards for cashback have no time limits. And now for the welcome bonus. At the end of your first year as a cardholder, Discover will automatically match all of the cashback you've accrued. There is no requirement for registration, and there is no cap on the amount you can make. That bonus has the potential to be highly lucrative. Don't forget there's no annual fee, and the introductory APR is 0% for 15 months. The regular APR is 14.24% to 25.24% variable. There is a 3% intro balance transfer fee up to 5% fee on future balance transfers. There's a 0% foreign transaction fee. And you have to have a good or excellent credit score, which is considered between 690 and 850. And in first place, we have the Capital One SavorOne Cash Rewards credit card. The Capital One SavorOne Cash Rewards credit card, which has no annual fee, is a fantastic option if your recycling bin is overflowing with shopping or takeout bags. This card stands out from the majority of its rivals since it has the potential to earn such a high rate on both eating out and cooking at home. Most of its rivals tend to concentrate on either one of those categories or the other. If you're prepared to pay an annual fee, you may be able to obtain comparable or even better rates in one of those areas, but not usually in both with the same card. Here are the pros. There's no annual fee. There is an introductory APR period. There are bonus categories. There's no foreign transaction fees. There's a generous cash rewards for dining, entertainment and groceries. It doesn't impose some frequent fees. It's easy to redeem cashback rewards and introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers. And now for the cons. It requires a good to excellent credit. It has a high standard rate APR and limited cashback rewards categories. This card's great for people who love going out for dinner or entertainment and buying groceries, people who like cards with easy to redeem rewards, and people who want a no annual fee credit card that benefits both dining out and eating at home. It's not great for people who don't like going out and people who don't like spending a lot of money on groceries. Now let's talk about the rewards. With no limits, the Capital One SavorOne automatically earns 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services and grocery stores. 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars reserved through the Capital One Travel. 8% cashback on Capital One entertainment purchases and tickets at Vivid Seats. And 1% cashback on all other purchases. Superstores like Walmart or Target, wholesale clubs like Costco, gas stations, convenience stores and discount retailers are excluded from the category of grocery stores. Earning rewards is comparatively easy and uncomplicated because there are no earning caps or rotating categories. Reward points can be exchanged for statement credits, checks, gift cards or goods. You can redeem it at any time and there is no minimum amount of cashback required. Additionally, you can set up automatic redemption choices that will allow you to cash in prizes on a certain day or after you reach a certain threshold. And now for the welcome bonus. You can earn a one-time $200 cash bonus after you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of your account opening. Don't forget there's no annual fee. There is a 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 months. The regular APR is 16.49% to 26.49% variable. There's a 3% balance transfer fee. There's a 0% foreign transaction fee. You do need a good or excellent credit score, which is considered between 690 and 850. That wraps up what I believe are some of the best rewards credit cards in 2022. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next time. Happy rewards! I'll see you in the next video.